Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link an external bank account to Citizens Bank. Open the website, then click Login. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Login. Now, log in with your online user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfer Money. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for transfer between my other bank accounts. Click on Transfer between my other bank accounts. Then here, you will see an option for Add an account. Click on Add an account. Then a pop-up window will appear. Now, select the account type. To select, click on the drop-down arrow next to it. So in this video, we selected the checking account type. Next, read all the information stated below. After that, click on the Next button. After selecting the account type, you could now enter an account nickname for the external account. But it is just optional. Next, enter the external account's routing number and account number. And after entering, click on Next. And now your bank account has been linked. That's how you link an external bank account to Citizens Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.